Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the best channel for those who are wanting to gain weight by building muscle by of course lifting weights as well as eating in caloric surplus. Today I'm sharing one of the most versatile recipes that you can prepare maybe once a week and enjoy it as a snack or prepare it as a meal throughout the week. These are loaded with plant protein and carbs, which is exactly what you need when you are on your weight gain journey. You can call them falafels or I call them chickpea patties. Once the rough chopping is done, I then go ahead and use my food processor to blend all the ingredients together just into a coarse kind of a mixture, not too smooth, not too rough. I had to do it in 2 rounds as my food processor is not too big. So I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of snack ideas, videos and posts on my YouTube channel as well as on Instagram. Now it's important that you guys understand that you don't have to, eat everything as the way I show them or I eat them, right? You guys can get creative and you can either keep the ingredients on the low side to, just use it as a snack, or you can totally load up the calories by adding more ingredients and stuff like that to any snack or whatnot, and even use it as a full-fledged meal, which is like lunch or dinner. I'll be talking about how to add a snack in your food plan a lot more in detail in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But stay tuned till the end of this video as well, as I have shared a couple of ways how you can use these chickpea patties to either have them as a snack or even prepare a full-fledged lunch or dinner option as well. Option number 1 is just having it as a snack with your raita as a dip on the side. Option number 2 makes a great lunch or dinner option where using 1 whole grain tortilla or 2 rotis, just toss in some of your favorite salads and add 3 to 4 of these chickpea patties to it, top it up with your favorite sauces, and there you go. And another option where I'm using the chickpea patties to create a sandwich for myself. So as you can see, you can use this one ingredient and create so many different options using that particular ingredient, right? Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do try these out and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.